have entered in this video, I am sure that you are trying to figure out the right digital marketing skill for you, right? And I also know that you have already watched a lot of YouTube videos, read a lot of blogs, listened to a lot of podcasts, or maybe watched tons of reels, but still you are clueless because every marketer is giving a different advice. Which one you should be preferring is really very confusing. And you know what? I don't want you to choose your digital marketing skill based on someone else's advice, because it is the most important decision of your life. The skill that you choose today is going to shape your entire future. So it should be your decision, because a person behind a screen who is going to share with you that you should be choosing this skill or that skill is based on their experience, their area of interest. And I believe the skill that you choose should match your personality type. We all have different personality, we all have different areas of interest, we all have different experiences, and I want you to choose a skill that feeds your personality and resonates with your interest. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the complete digital marketing list attached with the personality chart. So meanwhile, I'm also going to ask you a set of questions so that we can do this journal together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to figure out the right digital marketing skill based on your interest, so that your future will be bright and you'll be working on something that you really love. Okay, are you ready? So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is giving you the list of all the digital marketing profile, and I'm going to divide them based on the organic digital marketing and paid digital marketing. You will see the chart right here, where inside the organic digital marketing, all the profiles that comes inside is content writing, SEO, social media marketing, graphic designing, video editing, and few more of them. Whereas in the paid digital marketing, so the profiles like Google Ads and Facebook Ad Manager comes inside. So before we choose a skill, we should be finalizing a category. Now I would like to talk to you like which one is better, which one you should be choosing, a profile from organic digital marketing or a profile from paid digital marketing. So once again, let's do this comparison based on the benefits of organic digital marketing profession and the paid digital marketing profession. So now you're going to see this chart where you can see in one side the benefits of organic digital marketing, and in the second you'll see the benefits of paid digital marketing. The first benefit of this organic digital marketing is all the profile that comes inside organic marketing is 365 days demanded. It means it's a need of an hour for any company. It's like oxygen. Let's talk about content writing skill. So whether a company is sending email to the customers or publishing a blog or posting a social media, everywhere content is the basic thing. So content writing skill isn't like oxygen for the business. Same skill is like SEO or graphic designing or video editing. On a daily basis, these skills are required by the companies so that they can promote their product or their service effectively and creatively. Okay. So it means the first benefit is all the organic digital marketing skills are 365 days demanded. It means for entire year you are going to get a lot of opportunities, whether it's full-time or freelancing. Now let's come to the paid marketing. So paid marketing skills are only seasonal skill, where companies are going to run the advertisement only on the festive seasons, seasonal offer, or when they are going to do the launch. Now let's talk about the paid marketing. Based on the demands, these skills are very seasonal skill. It means when company run advertisement, usually on festive season, when they are going to launch a new product or service, or usually on the special occasions. So as company only require the paid campaign managers, Google Ad Manager or social media ad manager when they are going to have these special occasions like Diwali or New Year, or when they are going to have any specific launch, but not 365 days. So when we compare organic digital marketing and paid digital marketing based on demand, organic is preferred. So if we do the comparison based on demand between the organic and paid digital marketing, definitely you should prefer the organic marketing because it's 365 days demanded. Second comparison we can do is based on the experience level. It means if you are learning organic digital marketing, whether it's content writing, social media or SEO, you don't require any prior experience, degree or certification to acquire this skill and also build the sample work. But it's not like that in the paid marketing. Let's say you want to run the Google ads, or if you want to create a sample work for the social media ads, then you cannot just do it by yourself. You really have to work on a live project. So here it's very challenging for you to get any job easily because you're not going to have sample work. And paid advertisement skill also requires some experience and expertise in the field so that you can do these tasks effectively, and you really require a prior experience before you pitch to any freelancing client. Now the third factor is very interesting. If you are doing organic digital marketing for any client, it really takes time for you to give them results, to drive them results. Whereas in paid marketing, you can drive them instant result. Obviously, because let's say if you are working for Myntra and they are running any advertisement only for 7 days. So within 7 days, you can evaluate how much it performed, how your advertisement performed, how much leads you have driven to them, and everything in detail. But organic procedure takes time. Let's say you're publishing a blog inside a website, then usually it takes 3 to 6 months for that blog to rank. So in organic digital marketing, there will be only few results that we can promise to the client, and though they'll take some time. Whereas in paid digital marketing, you can drive them instant results. Okay. Now the fourth factor is which digital marketing category is more profitable. I think I should not do a comparison because paid advertisement marketing is also high paid profile and organic digital marketing is also high paid profile. So it depends on your expertise and what results are you promising to the client. And the fifth factor is freelancing. If you're choosing any profile inside organic digital marketing, you can directly start your freelancing after learning or acquiring your skill. But in paid marketing, you first of all have to do some internship, or you have to do 1 or 2 year job in a company, then only you should start freelancing, because it takes time for you to acquire this skill. You need a lot of strategies and a lot of projects to handle, then only you get that level of knowledge where you can solely handle the freelancing project and promise the outcome. Okay, so in a nutshell, for a beginner, you should definitely driving into the result, which one is better, paid digital marketing or organic digital marketing, then it depends on you. So if you are a fresher and want to start your career within 45 days, please go and select any organic digital marketing skill. But if you are having patience, if you can invest your time and do some full-time work and can invest time in gaining the experience, in gaining the expertise, then you should definitely go with the paid digital marketing. Okay. Now I'm going to choose this category, organic digital marketing, because if you are watching this video and you are a fresher and you are clueless, you don't have any prior experience, degree or certification in this industry, and though you want to start your career fast and profitable, then organic digital marketing is my personal preference for you guys. Because I also belong from engineering background, I don't have any digital marketing related degree. So it was easy for me to opt for organic digital marketing, and that's what I would like to suggest, because most of my viewers are those people who are students, stay at home person, or 9 to 5 employees who are trying to shift their industry. And that's why we are now going to talk about organic digital marketing skills and which one you should be choosing. Here's the important segment of this video where we are going to talk about how to choose the digital marketing skill based on your personality type. Okay. Alright, so the first personality type is the curious personality. To figure out whether you belong to this personality type or not, I have 3 questions for you. So if you have pen and paper, also answer this. Okay, or maybe just nod your head if you say yes. The question number 1 is, in any situation when you are left with incomplete information, do you try to go on external resources to find the answer? Let's say you were having a discussion with one of your friend and a question raised that you both guys have no idea about it. So maybe do you go home and try to find the answer about it related to that, or do you connect with someone in that profession, in expert of that subject? Do you try your best to consult with them? If you have this kind of curiosity to resolve your questions that raises in your mind, then you are a curious person. The second question is, anyone come to you with a question, with a topic that you are already having good amount of knowledge. So do you tend to give them the step-by-step guide? Let's say you are good in styling. So if a family member or one of your cousin is coming to you to advise them what to wear in a farewell party, so you give them the entire guideline. You tend to give them, okay, based on your shape and size and color, you should be going with this outfit, and you give them the entire suggestion. It can be on any specific topic. Let's say you love cooking. So if someone comes to you and asks for the healthy recipe idea, do you love to give them entire tips? So if you love to explain things in detail on those topics on which you have good knowledge, then again you are a curious and very detailed person. The third question I'm having for you, do you love reading? It's not necessarily a book, but do you love to read any blogs or anything? Maybe do you love to read the newspaper? If you have reading habit, if you have explaining habits, if you have curiosity habit to know more about a topic in detail, then buddy, you are made for content writing skill. What is content writing? Content writing is nothing but when you are going to work for any client on different industries where you will be given a topic and you have to perform a research, you should be having a curiosity to know more about that topic, to explain the topic in detail. This personality, so curious personality type, is best fit for content writing profession. I hope you are getting my point. So if you have nodded your head even in a one or two of the question, then this content writing profession is made for you. So the second personality type is creative personality. So I would again like to ask you these three questions. First of all, do you love to try new things? Is it your personality that you love to experiment new things? You love to try out new ways, new approaches? And the second question is, do you find that job boring when you have to do the same thing every single day? You love to experiment because, right? If you are nodding your head in this, then maybe you are a very creative person. And third, last question I'm having is, do you love brainstorming new ideas? Do you love researching? Do you love to go on competitors' page and know more about what they are doing? Do you love to binge watch reels? Do you love to know more about the trends? And if you are nodding your head in any of these questions, then let me tell you that you are a very creative person, and social media marketing profile is made for the creative brains where they have to do research. It's a very creative profile. It's very easy and fun learning and working on profile where you have to try new things, you have to figure out new ideas, you have to brainstorm new ways, new approaches, and you will be definitely going and doing research on competitors, understanding the trend, and you have to perform your job. So if you belong to this category of curiosity, then you are made for social media marketing profession. Okay, now let's talk about the third personality, which is calculative personality. So I have simple two question for you. Do you love to follow the set of procedure? You don't want to be creative, you don't want to brainstorm. There's a procedure and you would like to follow that every single day. Second thing is, do you love to be practical? Do you love little bit of data? Then you are made for SEO marketing skill, because being an SEO marketer, you just have to do little bit of research and have to follow set of guidelines, and you have to help the brands rank their website on Google. So these are the three most profitable, most easiest and lucrative skill in today's market. So if you feel like you want to choose any skill from that, then let me give you some final advices. First of all, if you're going with content writing profession, I would request you to please add on SEO skill, because today's clients are looking for an SEO writer who can also create engaging content but can also help them rank on Google. So if you are going with content writing skill, the best combination is with SEO. And if you are a curious person, if you are a creative person, then you can definitely go with the social media marketing profile. And social media marketing profile is like a bonus skill, because you can not even just help clients and serve this skill as a freelancer or a full-time employee, but you can also use this skill to market yourself or to build a business. Let's say you know how to do Instagram and Facebook marketing or LinkedIn marketing. So being a freelancer, you can also promote your service. Or if you have any passion, like you love to make art and craft product, or you have some passion of traveling or something, you can also build your own identity on social media. So this skill is not only limited to offer it as a service to the clients, but it can also help you to promote your services, or if you have business idea, then you can turn it into a successful startup. So this is what my advice is Now, if you have selected your skill, let me help you start this journey and make it successful. So I have curated these courses on content writing, SEO, social media marketing, freelancing, everything, where you are not just only going to acquire this skill, but I guide step by step on how can you make your portfolio as a beginner, how can you find the clients, and everything in detail. So it will help you begin your journey and also skyrocket your journey and make it profitable one. If you want to join my hands and start the successful digital marketing journey, well, if you even at this moment have some questions, if you want to clear out your burning thoughts, then we can chat on Instagram. Please DM me on this profile at @GautamPrachi.co. Plus, you can also join my next free counseling session where you can one-on-one connect with me, share all the things that you have done, and I'll help you personally to select the right digital marketing skill and help you solve all the burning questions. And hold on, if you have selected that I would like to go with content writing career or SEO marketing career or social media marketing career, I've also built the individual videos on it. So please go watch that out, and please subscribe to this channel. It's a new channel, so I need your support at this moment the most. And comment below and share with me any question that you're having. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.